Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to purchase a Kling 2.5 Turbo. So here we are on klingai.com, and the model we have selected is 2.5 Turbo. Okay, and you can often access Kling AI platform, even Kling 2.5 Turbo model without, a financial package or subscription, which I'm able to do right now. But you cannot actually generally use it to create a final video without the credits. So if you want those credits, you can come here and click on the plans. Okay, here at the bottom left. And here you'll see all the available plans. You can even go ahead and sign in to obtain a Kling AI trial package, which includes 166 credits and a trial of the advanced features, right? Or you can come get one of these plans right here that gives you credits per month. So that's the subscription model. Okay, you can opt for this. This is the monthly plan, or you can buy credits outright. So here you just come buy the credits you need, and you can begin generating with Kling 2.5 Turbo. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.